This interview is from Jonathan's Media Network Vintage Vault, which is available online. Let's go now to Henry Umahai in the Philippines.
Hello everyone, to your Shortwave Business, where you're welcome to the May 12th edition of the Philippine DX. It's report number 206. I'm Henry Umahai in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Central Philippines. Glad to be back and thank you for listening. I would like to thank the following DXers for sending a reception report most recently: Mr. Richard Lemke in Alberta, Canada, Mr. Toshiki Moro in Tokyo, Japan, Mr. Chan Sartori Alvarez in Cavite, in the Philippines, and Mr. Marco Lasapin in San Fernando, Pampanga, also in the Philippines. To all of you, thank you very much. Reception lags for April 2024, April 9, NHK Radio Japan on 17810 in Japanese from Yamata, 0312. SAO 4 transferred radio KTWR on 11965 in English from Mauricio Guam at 1120 SAO 333. April 9 radio final word service on 9285 in English from Odantani at 1209. SAO 555. April 10 Adventist World Radio 5040 in Ignition from Trincomalee at 2212 SAO 333. April 10 Radio New Zealand International at 13690 in English from Radyo Pagi at 0803 SAO 433. And April 14 Adventist World Radio 15430 in Chanjan from Angat Guam at 1251 SAO 444. Some reception information sent by our DXR friend Marco Lasapin from Pampanga here in the Philippines. He shared the following stations from his location. April 15 Adventist World Radio on 11800 in Arabic from now in Germany at 1919 SIO 333. April 24 Adventist World Radio on 17565 in Ordo from Osborne, Austria. 1609 SIO 444. April 26 Adventist World Radio on 11850 in Bernice from Tashkent, Uzbekistan at 1444 SIO 222. And April 30 Voice of America on 17490 in Tibetan from Douglas, Germany at 1455 SIO 444. Send us your comments, suggestions, reception lines, and information to filipinasdx@gmail.com. That's PILIPINASDX for filipinasdx@gmail.com. This is Wayne Henry Umahai for Wasteland in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Central Philippines. Saying mabuhay at maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Henry. Our editor, Adrian Peterson in Indianapolis, has passed on to us a message from